Today we're going to design a custom graphic t-shirt. Print your design onto some paper using a printer. Now it's time to cut out the graphic. Unravel enough saran wrap to fold in half over the graphic. The plastic wrap needs to be precisely cut around the graphic. To make the cutting easier, lightly heat with the iron. Make sure the parchment paper is behind the graphic. We don't want to glue it to the t-shirt just yet. Cut the wrap to the edge precisely as possible, otherwise it will leave a noticeable gloss around the edges. Now it's time to glue the graphic to the shirt. The plastic saran wrap glues the graphic when heated. You may need to do multiple passes with the iron. Just don't stay in one spot too long. This method will ruin if washed. It's great for special events, birthdays, weddings, and other one-time uses.